Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to select color. So we have these example objects and we have three colors, black, red and green. And if you want to select by color, you can use the magic wand tools, click at this icon. And then you can click on the canvas in the objects. It will be show for the color. So you can sort into red color, black color, or green color. So here I will click in green color, release, and then it will be automatically select the selected color. If you want to cancel, you can go to selection tools and then use remove selection area. Okay, we'll select again, like in this black color, you can click to select. And then if you want to close, you can use this remove selection area. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to select color. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.